Hi viewers, welcome to Shami Cooking Mantra. Today I am going to make a Jamaican rice with a twist because they use coconut milk for this rice, but I am going to make it with pomegranate juice, which will be more flavorful because we are used to coconut milk rice and so many coconut milk in South Indian recipes, so there will not be much change. So I am adding pomegranate juice instead of this coconut milk. Let's see how to make this Jamaican pumpkin rice. I am using olive oil for this because it is similar to Indian cooking, so I want some changes. They are using only herbs, that is thyme, sage, like that, but nothing else is different from our usual biryani. So I am making it with olive oil. Once the oil is heated, I am going to add this bay leaf, garlic peeled, about 7 to 8, it depends on your taste. This is for 1.5 glass of rice, and oregano, which I add more. If you want, you can make less, because the flavor, I love it, so I add more. If you don't have oregano, there is no worries. If you have this Karpooravalli, that Karpooravalli is similar to this oregano, so you can chop finely the leaf of Karpooravalli and add this to olive oil. You get the same flavor. So pumpkin, this is pepper powder and jeera powder together. Coriander powder, half a spoon. Everything half a spoon is enough. Turmeric powder is your wish. So the spice, that's all. There is no other spices. The aroma is extremely good. I love this aroma. Once the olive oil and the herbs saute with garlic. I don't love garlic. I don't like garlic, but in Italian or any other continental dish, it will be very nice. And to this, to have green touch, I am adding coriander. If you have fresh thyme or basil, anything you can add. And this is a green bean, which is optional. I want this to be a little colorful, so I am adding. Instead of coconut milk, I am adding about 3 spoons of just grated coconut, which is optional. And rice. This rice, no need to make it like a biryani, very dry like that. They can have like a little sticky. It can be like a lemon rice. That kind of consistency is perfect. So instead of coconut milk, I am adding pomegranate juice. for about 1.5 cup of rice. Three glass of pomegranate juice. Going to add salt and cover it for about 20 minutes. Not more than 20 minutes because I am keeping it in sim. If you keep it in a medium flame, just 15 minutes, not more than that. Because I am doing it in a earthen, that is clay pot, I am doing it in sim. Adding salt. So cover it. Let's wait. Till then you can make your raita or any other dish you want, salads, whatever you want you can make in that time, which will save your cooking time. This pumpkin I have done with the peel. Peel I have not thrown it away because peel is very nutritious in many vegetables, and especially in pumpkin it is very good, and it is rich in A and C, and most of that A and C will be in that peel. So make use of that peel with making a rice. If you don't like, you can make as a chutney, anything, but it should be taken. So let's open and see how it is. So if you want, you can leave it for a while, or this is perfect. The rice is like this. If you want it to be more smooth, you can make it, or you can add some coconut milk now and then keep it in sim. Because you can't add coconut milk and pomegranate together, that flavor will make everything different.